Hello dear students, very good morning to all of you. How are you all? I think you are very fine at your home, even also safe with your parents. So dear students, today we are continuing our topic, that is lesson number 2 at the zoo. We have learned so many things about the zoo. What is zoo? Zoo is a place where we go to visit and see wild animals, different wild animals. The wild animals kept in a cage, and we saw them there and enjoy our picnic, okay, at the zoo. So here is also one family, a girl and a boy and their parents went to the zoo, and they saw lion, monkeys, beautiful peacock, giraffe, zebra, and also they had done an elephant ride. Okay, after that we have done our word meanings and opposite words. Then we have done question and answers of this chapter. Okay, we have already done this. Then we have understood about the double O words. Okay, we have read double O words. Double O word, double O denotes U की मात्रा, बड़ा U की मात्रा. Then we have learned about let's grammar part, in which we have learned yesterday about the names of persons, places, animals and things. Okay, so yesterday we have done our exercise given on page number 2 to 22 and 2, 3, 23. Now we are going to start the let's listen part, okay, in the page number 2, 3, 10, 23. So here are some instruction given when you will visit a zoo. अगर आपको कभी मौका मिलता है zoo जाने के लिए, so what are the precaution you should understand? Okay, कौन-कौन से आपको instructions को follow करना चाहिए while visiting the zoo? So here are some 4 instructions given. I will read it one by one and explain to you. You have to listen carefully. Okay, then after you have to read all the instructions. So listen to your teacher. Speak about what you should not do when you visit a zoo. अगर आप zoo जाते हैं, अगर आपको कभी in future मौका मिलता है zoo में घूमने के लिए, वाइल्ड लाइफ देखने के लिए, सो आप लोगों को कौन कौन से इंस्ट्रक्शंस को ध्यान में रखना है. यू हैव टू, दे आर द इंस्ट्रक्शंस टू रिमेम्बर. द फर्स्ट वन, डू नॉट टच द एनिमल्स. दैट इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट instruction, that do not touch the animals. When you touch them, they will become angry, or okay, so they can harm you. After that, do not give any food to them. उनको कोई भी खाना खाने की चीजें नहीं देना है, कोई भी खाने की चीजें बिल्कुल भी नहीं देना है, because उनका अलग से जू वाले टेक केयर करते हैं. Do not tease them. उनको चिढ़ाना भी नहीं है, otherwise they will also tease you and harm you also. And the last one, they will get angry. वो कभी भी गुस्सा हो जाते हैं, so always take some distance from them. Okay, wild animals ऐसे होते हैं, उनको कभी भी गुस्सा आ जाता है, they will get angry, so you have to take some distance from them. Okay, and now turn the page. In the page number 2424, there is a photograph of a zoo. अगर हम zoo जा नहीं सकते तो हम अपने बुक में तो विजिट कर ही सकते हैं. You can see a zoo here, a big zoo. Which animals are there? You can see monkeys on the one on the tree. There is snake, a huge snake, है ना, बड़ा सा snake. There is also a tiger, a bear, and 2 giraffes are also there in the tub. Okay, so there are so many people visited the zoo, and here we have some conversation between 4 people, that are A, B, C, D. Okay, so A is saying that, friends, have you seen any wild animals? क्या आपको wild animals दिख रहे हैं? B, C, D together says yes, in a zoo. हमने wild animals देखे हैं. कहाँ पे देखे हैं? Zoo में. C says, do you remember their names? फिर C ने क्वेश्चन पूछा कि आप लोगों को names याद है? So A said, I remember a tiger, a bear, a monkey and a huge snake. You can tiger here, monkeys here, huge snakes and a bear. Okay. After that, A says I saw. B says I saw a beautiful fish also. A says I saw a real tiger. Where? सब लोगों ने पूछा real tiger देखा है. So where you have seen real tiger? So A says at Jim Corbett's National Park near Nainital. There are so many national parks in our India. There are mainly 5 to 7 national parks in our India. We can visit them. In the Nainital there is also a famous national park called Jim Corbett's National Park. Okay, that name is Jim Corbett's National Park. B, C, D tell. Do you tell us about it? और उस तरीके से A ने अपनी जो जू घूम के आई थी, नेशनल पार्क घूम के आया था, उसने अपनी कहानी अपने दूसरे फ्रेंड्स यानी B, C, D को बताया. In this way we have learned about wild animals. Now dear students, always remember that we cannot make wild animals into our pet animals. हम अपने घर पे wild animals को कभी as a pet नहीं रख सकते. Okay, pet animals are different animals which we can take या keep at our home, at our home. So after that, dear students, in the page number 25, you can see there is match the pair givens and the color the big animals and the circle the small animals are given. So first of all we will do, let's match the following. Okay, so dear students, take out page number 25. All of you open page number 25. There is what question given? Match the following. Match the following. What is given in the both sides? We have the names of the wild animals and their sounds. So we have to match them with that. Okay. So all of you take out your book of page number 25. Okay students, I hope you all have taken out your book. Now let's do our match the following exercise. Here are some name of animals. The first one is lions. The second one is birds. The third one is monkeys. And the fourth one is, what is written here? Yes, cows. So here are their sounds. Animals and their sounds. In the next part, here is first one is twitter. Twitter. Okay. So next one, what is written here? R-O-A-R, roar. Roar मतलब होता है गुर्राना. And who roars? Lion roars. है ना? The first one had already done on your book. After that, there is written M-O-O, moo. Who is doing moo? Yes, cows. We will match it. After that, last one is chatter. Chatter कौन करता है? Which has chatter sound? Of course, monkeys has chatter sound. Now let's match it all. The birds tweet with themselves. The monkeys chatters and the cows moo. So here we have done first match the pair. Here is also given the second one. Which animals are written here? The first one, ELEPHANTS, elephants. Then HORSES, horses. Then DOGS, dogs. And the last one, CATS, cats. And the sounds are given here. NEIGH, nig. NEIGH, nig. Okay, so horses do nig sound. Then here is trumpet. And and here is meow, mew, and the last one bark, bark, bark मतलब होता है भौंकना, भौं भौं, that is called bark. So here is also different sounds given on the page number 2525. Let's match out. Elephant sound is trumpet, okay, and dog sound is bark, bhaw, and the cow sound is meow. So here we have done both the match pairs. Okay, now do it on your book, dear students. After that we will see activity, okay, which is big and small activity. Let's read out what the animals and their sounds are. Lions roar, birds twitter, monkeys chatter, cows moo, elephant trumpet, horses neigh, dogs bark, and the cat says meow. Okay, so these are the sounds which has some different animals. Okay, so these are the animals and their sounds. I hope you all have done your match the following. Okay, after that we will see one activity given here. The activity on the page number again 25. What is that activity? The activity is about big and small animals. What is the activity? Big and small animals. So what is big and what is a small? I know आप सभी लोगों को पता है कि big और small क्या होता है. The big means बड़ा and the small means छोटा. Okay, so big and small activities given here. Here are so many animals given in the box, है ना. एक box के अंदर बहुत सारे animals दिए हुए हैं. So what we have to do, dear students? We have to circle the small animals and color the big animals. Now I will tell you how many animals are small here and how many animals are big here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 animals are here which are big. Okay. And 4 animals are small here. So here you can see a small rabbit. आप लोग rabbit देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे एक वो कौन सा animal है? Small animal. Okay. So here you have to circle rabbit. Then here is one squirrel. One squirrel is here, and squirrel is also a small animal. So you have to circle the squirrel. Here is turtle or tortoise, you can say. Okay, this is also a small animal here, so you have to circle it. Okay, circle the tortoise, and the last one here is one fox. Okay, fox is given here, you can see. these are the 4 animals which are small, S-M-A-L-L, small, and other rest animals are the big, and जो other animals आपको दिख रहे हैं वो big हैं. So you have to color them. Okay. What you should color in the cow? Okay, you should color brown and white color. After that there is bear. Bear means bhalu. So you have to color it black. And after that there is, sorry, this is bear. The last one is bear. It is buffalo type. Okay, so here you should have to color it brown. After that, in the this is camel. Camel is a big animal, so you have to color it brown. And then the last one, that is giraffe. So you have to color yellow, and you have to color in the circles yellow and rest in the brown. So you have to color 5 animals as a homework to you. So I hope you all have done match the pairs and the activity given on the page number 2525. Here we have completed our lesson. Okay, so tomorrow we will learn a new poem of the zoo. Okay, so bye dear students, take care, have a nice day. We will meet on Monday.